What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your windshield wipers on a Toyota Corolla crossover from about the 2022 to the 2024. All you got to do pretty much is lift up your windshield wipers just like that. You see this little piece right here? You want to just pop that up just like that. Once you do that, you want to take your windshield wiper itself and just pull it down on it just like that and wiggle it, and you'll have it out. And you can go ahead and put you a new windshield wiper on there. Then when you want to put it back on the reverse process, make sure this is up. Make sure that's up like that. You want to come up underneath there, take your J hook right into that opening just like that. And once you got it, you just want to pull up, push up on it like that. Then once you got it like that, snap that down and you're good. All right, folks, once again, this is how you be changing out your windshield wipers on a Toyota Corolla crossover from about the 2022 to the 2024. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.